Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we are going to give you an updated daily list of 3 profitable KDP keywords that are low competition and they're high demand. At the same time, they have remarkable profitability metrics, including a low bestseller rank and a really good, impressive keyword niche score. And they are also low to medium content books, so they will not take a lot of effort from you and a lot of time in order to create them, which is exactly what we are looking for. Now, if you're new to the channel, we do daily videos revealing profitable Amazon KDP keywords, and if this is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified every time we post a new video. And also we do talk about tips and strategies on how to make passive income online, including writing on Medium and creating print-on-demand products for Etsy and Redbubble. Now, that being said, let's head over to the first keyword for the day, and our first keyword for the day is football trivia daily calendar 2024. And I started with the best keyword, and this is an amazing keyword that has great potential on all sides. Football trivia daily calendar 2024 has a really strong, impressive niche score by self-publishing titles of 91, which is the highest, and I rarely come across a niche score that is that high this week, and I'm quite impressed and quite happy to share that with you today. It has an impressive strong keyword niche score of 91, and also a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which has given this a number 9 when it comes to the keyword niche score. Number 9 is the highest on the scale when it comes to Amazon Scout Pro. Also, the total results are under 1,000, which is quite impressive, and the total results are sitting at 250. Average bestseller rank is also impressive because it is under 300,000, and of course the lower the better, and this one's an average of 122,261. Also, the average reviews of 446, and the average price is $13.70. Now, that being said, this is a new sub niche because it's specifically for the 2024 year. So you could go ahead and create a book specifically as a daily calendar for 2024 revolving around football trivia, tips and tricks, facts, hacks, that kind of thing. So you could approach it that way. And I do apologize if there's any background noise at the moment. We do have the autumn holidays, and I'm trying my best to get this video out for you as soon as possible. So it has a calendar, it has the year number 2024 listed in the main keyword. So you have 2 choices to make, one of 2 choices. You can either create a special specific calendar 2024 book that has insider football trivia, and it's daily as well, so keep that in mind. You need it to be around 365 pages or more, and that way you'd fulfill the exact promise of the keyword. So that's one way. Another way is if you currently have anything sort of trivia sports book in your Amazon KDP portfolio, and I really advise you to have, and we have created around the 7-part series talking about profitable KDP keywords that are about the sports trivia niche. So if you haven't yet not seen that, I'll be including the full series in the description box below for you to review it. You can include this keyword as part of your 7 keywords plus if you currently have a football or a sports related trivia book in there. So these were the results for this wonderful keyword right here. Highly recommend you take advantage of this keyword, and as you scroll down you can see a couple of books that are not exactly revolving around football, yet they are ranking for this wonderful keyword right here because it is included in the keyword in the 7 keyword slots, and that's another great strategy that you can be able to implement. Now, that being said, let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and our second keyword for the day is baseball trivia calendar. Baseball trivia calendar is amazing. It's not specifically on any sort of year number, but because we're creating for 2024 as of making this video, we are a few months away from 2024. It's important to create it for the updated year, but do not include the year number in the title or subtitle. Only include it in the cover, because we don't want the book to be limited to making sales only for 2024. You want it to be ever like lasting in terms of every single year. You're going to go ahead and update the interior, going to update the cover and make it relevant for that specific current year number. So let's break down the results. First of all, we have quite an impressive keyword niche scored by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension of number 9, which is the highest on the scale in terms of niche score. Also, the total results are under 1,000 and they're currently sitting at 986, which is also impressive. An average bestseller rank is 245,229, which is less than 300,000. That's what we're looking for. The average reviews are 358 and the average price is $14.17. Beautiful keyword. Highly recommend you get on top of it, and you can also use it as part of the 7 keyword slots. Then again, same advice if you currently have any sort of sports related trivia book or trivia calendar, add this to the 7 keyword slots. It will only take about a couple of weeks to get your book ranking and to get it showing in this wonderful results page right over here, as you can see. Now let's head over to the last and final keyword for the day, and our last keyword is also revolving around trivia, and it is a soccer trivia page a day calendar. Then again, beautiful keyword, beautiful results. It does not indicate any year number, so it does not really restrict you to any year number, and your strategy is going to be to create a specific 2024, but don't include in the title or subtitle, only in the cover and in the interior. So that way total results are under 1,000 and total results are currently sitting at 303. Average bestseller rank is 129,518, which is under 300,000. Average reviews is 739 and average price is currently at $14.11. And we have a strong keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro, which has given this a keyword niche score of number 9, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the lack of keyword niche score given by Titans for the previous 2 keywords, this one as well as the other one, basketball trivia calendar, because of these wonderful results. And I'm going to rely on Amazon Scout Pro for the keyword niche score right here, backed by the fact that the total results are under 1,000. Average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is also good to see, and an average price of quite impressive. I'm quite happy with that, and it gives quite a good royalty. Priced around this price would be ideal as well. So let's quickly summarize the 3 keywords before I end today's video, and starting with football trivia daily calendar 2024 with a keyword niche score of 91, the most impressive out of the 3 keywords for today. Second, we had basketball trivia calendar, which is also impressive, and I like how there's no year number included in this one, as well as in the final keyword is soccer trivia page a day calendar with a keyword niche score of number 9 and total results of 303. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.